How to verify Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, scroll down. Now head towards the option of help and support. Now open this option, help center. Now over here you will find this search box. Type in over there, request a blue verification badge. Once it appears, click on it. With that you will land to this kind of page. Now scroll down. Now over here you will find this option, fill in this form. Click on it. Now you have to fill this form and submit to verify your Facebook profile. So firstly you have to select profile option. Now you can paste your profile link over here. Heading towards step 1, confirm authenticity. You have to select your document type. Now you have to click on choose files and upload it. Step 2, confirm notability. Now you have to select the category and then type in your country or region name. Likewise, in the audience section, describe the people who follow your page or profile. Likewise, over here you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your profile or page is in the public interest. Once you fill all this, click on the option of send. With that, you have just requested for verification of your Facebook account. If you fulfill all the requirements to be verified, your account will be verified. So this is how you can easily verify your Facebook account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.